Alrighty, we've moved. Now I'm sure I can make this thing higher, because at the moment I'm like leaning on the ground. Here we go. That's better. Right, let's see if we can catch some lightning now. I don't know how we go with this, but worth a shot. So, obviously on the side of a road. Ooh, of course there was one behind me then. Got a little sharp little snap behind us. Have we missed it already? Like, has it come and gone? I don't know. Can hear some more raindrops again. Behind me again. Ironically, nothing in the direction that I'm looking at, but behind me there's been 2 strikes. And now it's raining. See how we go. Give it a few minutes. See if we can catch some lightning. If not, that may also depend on how heavy the rain gets. Might have to bail for the car in a second. I think we've missed it already. How rude is that? I'm not seeing it yet, so. This rain's getting heavier. For those that have joined us, we're not catching any lightning. We seem to have missed it all. It seems to have just disappeared. You can see a helicopter coming though. Adelaide people love helicopters. They're always like, why is there a helicopter? And why is it making so much noise for? Just for the record, I'm looking for the other way to see if there's any lightning coming from the other way. See if I can turn the camera around. See if we get a better view going the other way. But at the moment, there is none at all, whatsoever. So I think we might have missed it. See if I can zoom in on that helicopter in a minute when it comes closer. I think it's a helicopter anyway. Actually, it looks like a plane now. Oh, right. Well, there was one behind me then when I was not looking, which is rude. Oh, there's some over there. Let's have a bit of a turn. Saw some just there. Let's see if we can catch some of that side. That was a car. Definitely was a plane flying over. Well, not seeing a great deal, which is highly disappointing. I thought we were going to get a bit of lightning for a minute there. Be able to do some live streaming of that for you all, but missed the boat. There's definitely none striking at the moment. It was a minute ago. Can't even see any flashes down there. Oh. Maybe that was one. The other direction. I'll keep an eye out to see if I see one, because if then might be able to go down. Another part and see if we can see some, because there's houses blocking them all here. Alright, let's go for a drive. Come with me in my car. Ooh, slippery. Right, how do I make this work? Just see it. I can't get it in. There we go. Right. Oh, of course. 3 huge ones then. Right. Ooh, turn the music off or Facebook will be unhappy. Alright. Let's go. Feels like a story.
Channel. Probably like this dude's weird. You're not wrong. I'm a bit strange, but that's okay. You win some, you lose some. We're going to go down towards where the Northern Expressway is now. For any of you that are still sitting there with me, it's a few-minute drive. Well, maybe a minute drive or something like that. See if we can get some down this end of town. swear if I get there and it's all behind me, I'm just going to cry. Which is the most appropriate thing for a millennial to do these days. Doesn't work. Might as well cry. So those of you that are still sitting there watching and enjoying the sights of the side of my car and my jacket, thank you. We'll zip down to a dark place at the end of the road and hopefully there's no one there and we can just sit there and watch some lightning. If we can catch some. If we point the camera the right way, that's the other thing too, isn't it? We've got to point the camera the right way. Right. Stopping for a moment whilst we wait for cars to come past. Can't go because that car's turning. Right. Off we go. Probably should have come down here first, but such is life. They say, such is life. Riding. There's a car down here. So just stop up here. Oh, there's a car on the other side doing the same thing we are. Right. Here we go. Let's set ourselves up. Oh.
Right. Let's reset ourselves back up. How do I make this go higher again? Stop that one. Ah! Oi. Okay, well, I found where I got to point it, and it's, well, there was one. Right, we're at the new place. Let's see what we can catch. Right, let's see if we can see anything. I reckon we're not going to get anything again, even though we've had 2 good strikes this weekend. A bit further north than where I'm standing, and because I've got my camera on, I can't look at the radar. So we're flying a bit blind. Can you see the sun? Definitely some flashes happening up that way. So hey to everyone watching at the moment. I hope you're also tuned in to a Wide for Sound with Fitzy. He's broadcasting live at our website right now, bitwaves.com.au. Just click that listen live button and you can listen to the sounds of Wide for Sound and do some simulcasting with There's some lightning crashes. It's the strangest thing, I can hear some thunder, but I can't see any lightning. Right in front of me, not that you can see it right now, is some almond orchards. They're all coming into bloom at the moment too. There are flowers all over them. It's quite interesting to see during the day. I did take a picture of it, or a video of it I should say, the other day, and I uploaded it to our TikTok, which you can look at right now. Just search Bitwaves SA on TikTok. And you can see the beautiful orchards on a nice Sunday, sunny afternoon that it was the other day. Whee! I don't know if you caught that one. That one was impressive. I think I might just turn it a bit more that way. If someone's watching, did you see that lightning strike? Give me a comment. That was a yes. Because I wasn't sure if that one caught or not. I've slightly moved the camera now to see if we can point it that way, because that was where the last big one came from. Oh. Got a roll of thunder then. It's not a heavy striking lightning thing, is it? I thought it was going to be a bit better than this. You saw it? Nice. Apparently it's more up Galway. But I'm not driving all the way out to Galway. Mainly because I wouldn't know where to park at Galway, and by the time I got there it would have gone anyway. Oh, there's one off there then, off to the corner. It's out of the corner of my eyes. Just saying, these iPhones, I'm just looking at the width of what I can see. I can see the freeway from where I am, but I can still see the other side. It's not tooting, and this is not sponsored by Apple, but it's a pretty wide lens. There's another one up there then. Come on, give us one more nice big one right in front of us. Preferably not me. Preferably. thought if I turned it towards the south I might see some, but there's definitely none at the south of us. I think we'll give it a few more minutes, and then if we don't see any, I think we'll pack it up. Oh, all right. Do better. Just getting messages through saying that there's hail in Newry at the moment. So that's not great. Probably in the wrong place. Take me to Newry. Need a helicopter. Whoa. All right. So clearly we're moving a bit that way. Hail in Newry at the moment. That's a bit crazy. I wonder what size hail it is, whether it's huge hail or whether it's just little hail. Oh, that was creepy. There's a truck behind me, and you can see all the things, and I thought, oh, there's someone behind me. But no. Just the poles. Well, as I said before, I will be uploading this one to our YouTube page as well. So come and find it on YouTube as well. Just search Bitwaves Radio. And subscribe. Once we hit 50 likes or 50 subscribers on there, we can start going live from there too. So if you've got a YouTube account, make sure you come and subscribe us on YouTube. Just search Bitwaves Radio and come and see some of our live streams on there too. Obviously at the moment they're only recording, so there's another lightning strike there. Not sure if anyone saw it. They're too far away to hear the rumbles of the thunder, but if I can point my camera up that way, right there, it kind of depicts the fact that it's quite the clouds are the right kind of clouds, but there's just not enough kick up, and I reckon over there there's clouds are thinning out a bit too, so that's a bit disappointing. Alright, well I reckon we'll give up for now, sadly, and I'll pack up and we'll go back to listening to Wired for Sound. Listen now at bitwaves.com.au, just click the listen live button, and I'll upload these ones to our YouTube page. Thanks for doing some storm spotting with me. I hope you enjoyed the 4 lightning strikes that we got. Cheers, South Australia. Have a good night, and I hope the power stays on for you all. If not, make sure you stay tuned to our Facebook page and our Instagram page, where we'll give you updates if the power's out. Kurt, I hope you're listening. Bye.